Galgibaga, which is located at Kanakona National Highway number 66. Nice roads and safe driving. As you reach under the bridge, take right turn and keep driving straight ahead. Galgibaga, a hidden treasure of Goa, more famous as the Turtle Beach. And that's Galgibaga Beach, which is about 1 hour's drive from Margao city. That's the full view of the area. Signboards displaying the history of sea turtles. Complete process is displayed here on the signboards. The good thing about Goa beaches is that at almost all the beaches you will find lifeguards present. Turtle nesting areas. There are eggs in there buried under the sand for hatching. Then the restaurants and lodging. Due to COVID in Goa, there are hardly any tourists present. Lot of trees out there giving good shade. Lesser known hence greenest beach in Goa, serene seashore of Goa. It lies to the end of Goa water. The view is pleasant and the beach is also connected to a river. The other two famous beaches connected are the more famous Palolem Beach and little ahead is the Patna Beach. Dogs as usual on every beach in Goa, but very friendly. They don't harm anyone at all. Few rocks out there. Wish there was no COVID at all, as we normally have this beach with full of tourists. But now we can't find a single tourist in there. Few rocks out there. Wish there was no COVID at all, as we normally have this beach with full of tourists, but now we can find few here and there. She was enjoying music out there. Overall, lovely beach which every tourist must visit.